First thing to go in, a black t-shirt. That didn't work. That water's really warm. Second thing to go in, a checkered shirt thing with a hood on it. The hood's checkered, that's why I said checkered. Cody. That also didn't work. Somehow, all my life decisions have led up to this moment. My hand's wet, I can't press stop recording. Third thing to go in, a yin and yang kimono, because I bought this once, and it's actually really nice, even though it's only like £5. Didn't work, did it? Jesus Christ. Oh, it got hotter. The water got hotter. Ignore the high-pitched voice. Also, everyone say hi to Tuff. He stays in my bathroom and watches me whilst I pee.